Good evening, all. It is Bob at Two Pops Breaks on a Wednesday. It is August the 9th. We're breaking Unbox Jerseys Plus Combo Series. Randomed up our 25 remaining numbers. 20 is what we got. We did random team sales on your right. We have already randomized teams and customers. Alphabetized everybody. Gave them a couple minutes to trade. Just wanted to check chats one last time. Alright, not seeing anything, guys. Thank you for helping us at least close out the one darn box here tonight. Here we go. Good luck, y'all. Bam! Well, going to be the Tennessee-Washington spot with the Terry McLaurin. She is a China guy. She is pretty nice, though. Here we go. Bam! Also going to be Metallica. It's a little hard to see in the picture there, guys, but you'll see it in a second. So, Washington and Metallica spots are going to be our winners. We'll random off the freebie at the end. Nothing else in the envelope. Alright, who is Tennessee, Washington? Wow, man, DMP been on a roll here last couple nights. Alright, and who is Metallica? Jesus, CJ, man. Telling you, CJ has been killing it since joining the room. Wow, I am very sorry everybody else, guys, but CJ and DNP, man, both have been having a hell of a series here. Alright, let me grab those. Alright, bud, it looks a lot better in person, a little hard to see on camera. But there is your Lars Ulrich, has, I do believe, a Beckett Witness hologram on her, bud. Shit, man, this ain't a China. I hate to say it, I bought it assuming it's a China. She ain't a China, DMP, so you just got a big extra bonus there. That is a licensed Terry McLaurin. That is actually one of the higher grade licenses with the Sonon numbers, DMP. I hate to say it, I should have checked that. That was actually a way bigger hit than I thought it was, but again, I got it at a good price, so I ain't going to complain. But you can see, no white backing at all, bud. That is a licensed jersey. There is no way that's a China. This is actually a really nice quality, man. Heavy. It's a lot heavier than the normal one. So DMP, you just got an extra $100 bonus on that hit there. I said I ain't gonna complain too much because I I bought it assuming it was a China. So you just got a huge bonus on that one, DMP. I'm very sorry, everybody else, but between those two hits and that box, guys, that was a nasty-ass box. You got a licensed McLaurin and a Lars Ulrich Drumhead, man. Very nice box for you guys. I'm sorry to the ones who did not win, but a nasty box for you, folks. Alright, anybody who does want to keep for tomorrow, guys, I'll let you keep at 16 as a thank you for helping me at least get the one box in there tonight. I know it might not seem like much, guys, but that's actually like $70 off there, or $35 or $34 off. Sorry if I took 2 off 11 there. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 11 times. Well, NW gonna get the holdover. Alright, so NW, you'll be on the board there tomorrow. Alright, that is gonna wrap up that break, guys. Very nice break for you. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby, 2 pops, breaks. You all have a wonderful night.